Hello friends, today I will discuss the ruler tool in Adobe Photoshop. First I am going to show you a simple use of the ruler tool. Here the sailboat has not aligned with the horizontal line. Make sure the sailboat layer is selected. Now draw the ruler across the length of the boat. Click on Straighten Layer. Now it's aligned with a horizontal line. Here is the ruler grid. By default it's showing the value in pixels. We can change it into other units like inches, centimeters, etc. Now I am going to the details of the ruler tool. Here is a rectangle. By ruler tool we can measure the length and width of this rectangle. For a straight line, press and hold the shift button. Click the left mouse button on the left edge of the rectangle and hold and draw the ruler to the right edge. Here we can see the details. X is the horizontal position and Y is the vertical position of the starting point of the ruler. As we started drawing the ruler from the left to right, the left point is the starting point. W is the horizontal distance between two edge points of the ruler. If we draw a ruler from right to left, W will show the negative distance value. We can move the edge point of the ruler or the whole ruler. Now press and hold the shift button. Click the left mouse button on the bottom edge of the rectangle and hold and draw the ruler to the top edge. It is the starting point of the ruler. Here are the X and Y coordinates of the starting point. H represents the vertical distance between two edge points of the ruler. We draw the ruler from bottom to top, so H will show the negative distance value. L1 is the length of the ruler. If we draw a ruler from top to bottom, H will show the distance value as positive. Now for measuring the angle, I will draw a ruler from the left bottom corner to the right top corner of the rectangle. It is a diagonal of the rectangle. Here A represents the angle between the diagonal and bottom sides of the rectangle. It always identifies the angle on the starting point between the ruler and the horizontal line. To understand the measurement of the angle easily, I will open a polygon. Draw a ruler from left to right and also from bottom to top. Here A is showing the positive angle. Now draw another ruler from top to bottom and also from right to left. Here A is showing the negative angle. Draw another ruler from top to bottom and also from left to right. Here A is showing the negative angle. Draw another ruler from bottom to top and also from right to left. Here A is showing the positive angle. We can join two rulers and measure the angle between them. Draw a ruler. Press the Alt button and hold the mouse on any edge of the ruler. When you see angle icon, click that point and draw another ruler. L1 is the length of first ruler. L2 is the length of second ruler. Now A will show the angle between the two rulers. You can move any edge of the rulers. You can also move two rulers at a time. Now I will use the measurement scale. First I have to set the measurement scale. Go to the image, analysis, set measurement scale, custom. By default pixel length is 1, logical length is 1 and logical units are pixels. Now I will set a standard for pixel length matching this door height. It's 1235 pixels. Let's input logical length 7 and logical units as feet. Now 1235 pixels equal to 7 feet. Click OK. Check on the use measurement scale. Based on our measurement scale, we can measure any part of this image. I am going to measure the height of this window. It's 4.31 feet. Width of this window. It's 4.31 feet. Width of the door. It's 4.38 feet. Width of the roof. It's 18.25 feet. All these values are shown according to our custom measurement scale. Thanks for watching.